Hello, my name is Karen Marshall. I am the 8th grade science teacher here at the International School of Louisiana. My assistant and I also help develop curriculum for grades 3 through 5, and we've just started working with K2 a little bit as well. We're moving into phenomena-based teaching and learning, and we're adding that to our curriculum, and it's super exciting, and it's everything I've ever wished for in teaching, which is a hand-on approach and making sure that students are investigating and asking questions and trying to solve those problems on their own. In that, we're collecting lots of material for engineering projects and also having to store students' engineering projects in the classroom. And we are very quickly running out of storage space. And one of the things that we would love to have is, though we have these lovely lab tables that we love, we would really love to have the ability to have storage for lab supplies, beakers, flasks, stirring rods, things like that, like underneath the stations and the table. It makes it easier accessible for the students. And we can definitely do more in our class period when we're not going back and forth to the closet to maintain materials. Also, as you just saw in the picture, was our water jug. That's our sink, quote unquote. And in order for us to do lab practices like titrations and teach the students the basic lab protocols for working in a lab, we have to kind of get a makeshift sink with buckets and water. And it's doable, but it does put a limit on what we can do and accomplish when we gather information and get materials to run tests in the classroom, as well as when we get information from the field. As you can see, and sometimes when we have a full class, I do have to sit kids on the edge of the desks. I can't separate the desks because then we really don't have any room to move around, and that's a safety issue. We have to have room for the students to move in between the desks, especially when we're doing labs and activities. So even though we love our lab tables and our stools, to have a little bit more usage out of that empty space at the bottom would be fabulous. So we're getting ready to show you where our water comes from. So, there's our fire extinguisher. You see it on the wall over there. But as you continue to walk forward, you will see that we have to go to the maintenance closet that is right off of the restroom, the girls' restroom, to maintain our water and maintain a clean and safe lab. And so that safety is number one for us, Ilaria and I. And so it's super important that we have those safety measures. And so we like to make sure that we have lots of clean water around and at our disposal. This also means that upon disposing of certain chemicals, we do have to take our planning to come to this closet and run things down the drain and let the drain run for 3 to 5 minutes as protocol shows. Those are things that we would love to teach our students and love to have our students see and learn how to do, but we just don't have the facilities to do that at present. So we are in need of storage space, and we are in need of a water source much closer and in the classroom, so that we are able to allow students to really dig in and explore scientific phenomena-based learning and have the opportunity to learn some of those lab basics.